We have a 2011 Chevy Malibu and we're going to change out the alternator on this car. Get this engine cover off and out of the way. That little bolt in here that we're going to loosen up. Just lift up, there we go, one of these pins on this side, and then it'll just lift out just like that. All right, we'll put a little sandwich bag over there. But I'm going to move the air box out of the way so we can get a little bit more space. Take a quick look at the filter. Yeah, the filter's still okay. All right, look at that. Now we've got a lot of space in here. This is the belt tensioner. You're going to put 3/8 inch square socket and you pull on that to release the tension. I'll kind of show you. So let's disconnect the battery. But these long ones are a savior. If you can get your hands on a set, I totally recommend it. We're going to get this last bolt off down here. Have your claw tool handy because you're going to drop stuff down there. Look at this. We've got the new part in. Now we've got it wired up. Just going to hand tighten all the bolts in. We have some exposed cables here. That looks much, much better. All right, so this was a little tough getting the belt back on, but let me show you how we did it. And so I used this little thing here and I slipped this down here. I pushed the little nub in so that that would slide straight in to the belt tension, so it went all the way in there nice and easy. See that? I can just lift it up like that nice and easy. Using this string as a pulley, lift up the tensioner and loosen it up and get that belt on. So anyway, worked out really good. What I had to do was put a little tiny dab of motor oil just around the lip of that, the intake throttle body, just on the outside where the rubber contacts, and that made it slide right in perfect. 14.3, 14.4 volts, look at that, perfect.